How to search candidates on Indeed. Really easy and simple, guys. So you basically want to come to the Indeed for Employers page, not the Indeed for job seekers. So if you are on the job seeker one, come here, click on your profile, the top right, click on Visit Indeed for Employers. Okay, I'm already on this one. So what you want to come here and do now is click on the second option here from the top menu. Click on Find Candidates. Okay. Click on this option right here, wait for the page to load up. All right, now what you want to do is under Find Candidates, click on Search for Candidates. And now we need to do things like enter a location, or you can enter keywords. What kind of jobs? Okay, so for example, write video, editing, click on Search. Now we're going to be finding candidates who have this skill, video editing or video editor, right? And as you can see right here, we have some people that we can message. So this is a video editor, and they have an education from Brigham Young University. This one has no education, but I guess he has these skills, and he does remote video editing. If I want, I can just go ahead and message this person. Okay. If I am happy with this, can come here, click on Get Started, and then go ahead and message them. And then if you want, you can also go ahead and choose other specific skills to go along with it. You can search for people who have maybe updated resume within the last month. You can filter them also by availability. If they're ready to work right now, maybe they don't have to give a notice period. You can choose this as well. People who are currently ready to work, maybe you want a certain job title, you can do that as well. Really that easy and simple to find these candidates.